let's start with our angled brush. And we're going to load this with two colors, little yellow, little green. And I'll show you how easy this is. And then you just turn it. So I'm starting with that side, and then you just simply turn your brush, and then you're using the flat side. So it's just a little twist of the wrist here. There and side and back. And you can create ribbons this way, and leaves, and stems. Pretty easy to use, pretty fast. I always double load it because it gives the object that you're making more interest. Naturally blends it out. Now when I want to cover a large surface, say on a canvas, I'm going to start with just a square, larger headed brush. And then we could use this to create cylinders, so you can use the narrow side for getting your straight, skinnier edge. And then you just flip it to that big flat side, and you can get a bigger surface. Now by doing this curved line, you'll have almost a pole effect. Great for branches too. You could use this for a bowl, dishes and bowls and things like that. I believe out of all my brushes, I probably use these flat ones the most. If you think about painting a building, this could be used for straight edges that you have in buildings. You can use the pointed side for detail, and then you can just use that flat side. These are awesome for creating bricks. And I'm going to show you this basket weave here. Really easy. Just curving it a little bit, but the brush is doing all the work. Rounded edges. These are perfect for clouds. Just load up my brush and I push it flat down. So I'm pushing, and then you have that round edge of a top curvy cloud going on, and then I can brush the rest out. But it's so easy because the shape of the brush does the work for you. And now I'm showing a larger, same curved kind of design, and look how versatile this could be. You can do distant hills, you can do distant trees, you could do the top of a very bushy tree. Bushes are another thing. There's so many ways to use these brushes also. Really quick, easy results. Time to use a cheap brush, but it's awesome. So we're going to try a wood graining technique. Grab a darker color then and just wiggle your brush back and forth. You want these streaks to be visible. Make a knot. You can use a drier brush also. Right now it's kind of wet. So if I wanted to look like a rougher or more worn piece of wood, weathered wood, splinter-like, use a dry brush. And here's another thing that's really helpful. Pouncing on a bunch of colors at once. So many things can be created using the chip brush. This could be used for hair, and you can have it wet, or you could use a drier brush technique. That would be fine. See, with the bristles being spread apart like they are, it's so easy to create hair. Could actually be used for a waterfall too. I have used chip brushes for that. Time for round pointed brushes. Load up your brush, push it down, and then pull up gently as you drag. Leaves, petals, dragonfly wings. You can use this for a lot of different things. You can also put the point on the outside or towards the inside. Works both ways, a little bit different. I wanted to show that again. Here I'm loading up with the pink and then sticking just the point in the red. And we're going to go in towards the center all the way around. So I'm just pushing it down, but kind of laying my brush on the side. Really using that shape of the brush to do the work. Push down, pull up, that's it. Push down, pull up. Tiny, skinny detail brushes. So that you're going to use for smaller things, details. But you can also use the back of any of your brushes to create little dots or circles. They can be used for stars, snow, rain. You could do a whole picture with this pointillism technique using the back of your brush.